Okay, perfectly ripe pear. You can see there's even a bruise right here. And check out this knife with this pear. First thing I'm going to do is peel the pear ever so slightly and show you just how sharp it is. And I want to kind of make a stripe down the pear, just like this. So really, really sharp. That pear is super ripe, and that skin is very, very soft. Ah, Porsche design turbo knife. Really, really nice. I like it. And the blue pearl tells your hand where to stop. Even if you close your eyes, you can tell where this handle ends and blade begins. Super, super special cutting edge. Sharper than all the other German knives. Wow! Pretty soft, but I'm going to try carving it. Alright, I'm just going to go like this. Give it a little up and down pattern. Okay. It's really, really soft. The knife, by the way, is like a scalpel. It's so nice to use, so easy to use. It just glides right through the fruit. Doesn't matter what kind of fruit you're talking about. This baby is sharp. Okay? There we go. Got a nice pattern. Looking good. You can see the really ripe spot there. But I want to make this into more of a dessert. So I'm going to take and flatten this right here. Okay? I'm going to flatten this one as well. Alright, I'm going to use this core here to remove the core from the pear straight through. Very nice. And I'm going to repeat that right here. Yep, looking good. Alright, now, if this is the bottom or base of my pear or dessert, I want to open it up a little more. And to do that, I'm using a melon baller. Okay, we got these little pieces here. We're going to make some circles out of them. A couple of circles just like this. Alright. Just for garnishing purposes. I'll be using my circle cutter. Just like this. It's a nice garnish right there. There's another one. And there's another one. It's good to have the tools. If you got the tools, then you can do what the chef's doing here. If you don't have the tools, forget about it. And my favorite tool so far today is this wicked sharp knife right here. I like it. Alright, so a quick plating for you here. Move this out of the way like this. I'm going to put a scoop of yogurt or ice cream or cream fresh. Your choice. Right in the middle. I've got my pear circles going around the perimeter like this. Pretty nice. I've got some chocolate covered cocoa nibs going around here like this. I'm going to put a pinch of cinnamon with this pear, just like this. Just a little bit on the pear as well as the plate. Looking really good. And I think I got to finish it with a touch of pure vanilla extract. The real deal. So vanilla is really sky high expensive right now. Some of you know that. So just gonna put a few drops. Wow, that right there is gonna be good. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Score the chef's knife right there. Yeah. Keep cooking and have a great day. Turbo! yeah, have a great day.